Hi guys, welcome to CV Raman Awards. Today I am showing you this infinity mirror with the awesome illusion effect. Do you know why did I make it? It is used as special effects in scientific fiction films. It works very well as a home decor and table lamp. One of the features that will attract you to make it is that it uses low power LED lights and best of all, it looks great. Keep watching the video to know more about this project.
The materials used in infinity mirror are a wire casing, a strip of LED, an opaque mirror, a reflecting transparent mirror with a window film and sunboard. The 3D mirror illusion effect will be produced whenever two reflecting surfaces are placed parallel to each other so that they bounce a beam of light infinitely many times. This works on the principle of multiple reflection of light. Now, let me ask you a question. How many strips of LEDs do you think I have used in this? Option A 20, option B 15, option C 10 and option D 1. The answer is 1. This project is also economically very affordable as you don't have to pay more than 1500 rupees. Think that how much electricity bill will be saved as you can light up the whole room with just one light source. So, my friends, you should also make this project to light up your homes too.